Hey there, bwcummins here with another quick drawing for you tonight. This is just a little 15-minute guy. Still getting used to this new location in my house and working out some of the kinks. Trying to get rid of the echo because it's an enclosed space, unlike where I was out in the open before. So I apologize if the sound quality is terrible, but just know I'm working on it, trying to figure that all out. But you know, just going through an easy little lowbrow drawing, the sign for I love you, but in a lowbrow way, with the teeth and the tongue and the scratchy eyes and all that stuff. Nothing real new or original here, but it's stuff I like to draw, just tones I like to work with. And this one's just out taking a walk. Almost looks like it's licking its own leg, which is a little odd, but you know, whatever. Hope you enjoy these drawings, and bear with me as I work out the kinks with sound and all that stuff. I did work on lighting. I don't know, the last couple of videos, if you look back, the lighting was a little weird because I was using a vintage desk lamp on my desk. And while I like the look of that mid-century modern lamp, it, you know, kind of casts some rays of light instead of a solid flat light. So worked with lighting a little, and I worked with sound a little, but we'll see how it sounds tonight. And just know that those things, I'm paying attention to them, and they'll get better and better. If you haven't yet, please like and subscribe to this channel and share it with people. I like to remind you every once in a while that the purpose of this channel is purely to encourage artists to draw every day, even if it's just, you know, setting aside 15 or 20 minutes like this to draw something quick. There's something about putting pen on paper, or if you digitally working on your tablet or whatever, there's something about that that just kind of keeps your artistic and creative senses sharp. And again, that's the whole reason I do this channel, aside from the fact that I really enjoy doodling. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.